Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is class 10th subject English. Today we are going to continue yesterday's exercise. Question number 6. Use the following phrases to complete the sentences given below. There are some options below. We have to fill up the gaps. First, we will read these options. First, they can be taught to love. Second, I was born free. Third, but the triumph over it. Fourth, but he who conquers the fear. Fifth, to create such heights of character. Dear students, you will open your book at page number 37. Question number 6. Let us do this. Sentence number 1. It requires such depths of oppression dash dash dash. Which option is suitable here? It requires such depths of oppression to create such heights of character. To create such heights of character, option number 5th. Option number 5th. Part number 2. Courage was not the absence of fear. Courage was not the absence of fear. Mandela says that this courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. But the triumph over it. Option number 3rd. Part 3. If people can learn to hate. Mandela says that if we can people make that to learn the hate, they can be taught to love. They can be taught to love. Option number 1st. 4th. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid. यानी बहादुर आदमी वो नहीं, निडर आदमी वो नहीं है जो अफ्रेड को फील नहीं करेगा, but who conquers the fear. But who conquers the fear. 5th. I was not born with the hunger to be free. तो कौन सा ऑप्शन आएगा? ऑप्शन 2nd. I was born free. I was born free. Dear students, let us go to question number 7. This text repeatedly contrasts the past with the present or the future. आपने देखा है टेक्स्ट में प्रेजेंट और पास्ट को कंट्रास्ट किया गया है बहुत सी जगहों पर. We can use the coordinated clauses to contrast two views for emphasize or effect. Given below are the sentences carry one part of the contrast. Find the text, the second part of the contrast and complete each item. Each item, identify the words which signal the contrast. This has been done for you in the first item. As you see, part first. For decades, the Union buildings had been the seat of white supremacy, and now onwards you can find the sentence from the book. Now there is the two contrasting words are here, decades and the now. This is the contrast, past and the present. Likewise, here's question part number 2. Only moments before, the highest generals of the Southern Africa of the South Africa Defense Force police saluted me and pledged their loyalty. These are the words of Nelson Mandela. Not so many years before, they would have saluted me. They would have saluted. तो इसको कंट्रास्ट आपको टेक्स्ट में जाना है, वहां देखना है आपको. तो वहां ऐसे हो सकता है एंड ओनली they have saluted me. तो यहां क्या आ सकता है? They have saluted me but arrested me. तो कंट्रास्ट वर्ड से यहां सल्यूट और अरेस्टेड है, saluted and arrested. Part number 3. Although that day neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem, they were. This is the second part of sentence. They would soon dash dash. They would soon. They would soon know the words by hearts. This is the sentence you will find in the book. That means words by the hearts. This is the contrasting here. Then there is part 4th. My country is rich in minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil. मंडेला कहता है मेरी जो ज़मीन है ये बहुत ही रिच है, आबाद है. किससे? There are minerals and gems beneath it, under its soil. तो कंट्रास्टिंग वो अगर आप सेंटेंस बुक में जाएंगे वहां कौन सेंटेंस आ सकता है? But I have always known that it is great wealth, people finer and truer than the purest diamonds. तो आप देखते हैं यहाँ तो जिम्स और ये जो मिनरल्स हैं तो यहाँ क्या है? यहाँ डायमंड्स है. पीपल को कंसिडर किया गया है डायमंड्स, who are finer and who are truer. Then there is 5th part. The air show was not only a display of the pinpoint precision and the military force, but a demonstration of military loyalty. Military force, whereas the contrasting is there military loyalty. Military is loyalty. There is the military force. Then there is part 6th. It was this desire for the freedom of my people that transferred dash dash into a bold that drew. तो ये सेंटेंस है यहाँ. अगर आप आगे जाएं, अगर पीछे जाएंगे आप टेक्स्ट में, यू विल फाइंड देयर dash dash to become the criminal that turned me into a man without a home. तो इसमें कौन सा कंट्रास्टिंग है? क्रिमिनल. अगर आप देखेंगे वहां फ्रीडम और यहां आप देखेंगे क्रिमिनल. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, now we will go to the writing work. Draw the character sketch of any one of the following. Collect information from the books internet. इनमें से एक पे आपको कैरेक्टर ये लिखना है, कैरेक्टर स्केच. मार्टिन लूथर किंग जूनियर, नेल्सन मंडेला, MK गांधी, फिडेल कस्त्रो. तो विच वन यू लाइक. इंशाल्लाह हम भी आपको नेल्सन मंडेला और MK गांधी पे ज़रूर इसका कैरेक्टर स्केच लिखाएंगे. This is enough for today. Thanks.